I was getting tea. Because, you know, tea good. Tea important, tea life. Normally it's coffee life, but I don't have coffee at the moment. So we're going with tea. Okay. Anyways. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even know what to expect from today. Yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what to expect from today. Guess we don't always have to expect things, right? Good chocolate. You got this playing. This was it. Not sure if it suits your strategy. Oh, hi! What's up? I see Perry's barking at people. I don't know who did what, but someone has upset him. Louie, hi! I expect fat wins, no pressure. Damn, okay. Whatever. Whatever, let's see how this goes. I wanted to do one last thing. I forgot what it was though. Hey, Trade Addict, what's up? How are we doing today? Why is this one... Why am I missing messages? Very weird. Okay, anyways, doesn't matter. Does not matter, we're just gonna continue. So, first things first. Right, first things first. Let's mark out the London low, which I can see already is here. London low. And I'm just gonna mark this out here, but not necessarily as London high. And now we wait. Right, now we're gonna wait. Sorry guys, if you're thinking there was more to mark out, not really. My TP was eventually taken. Hey, Trade Addict, that's amazing. Well done. Let's see. Good grief, why are we yelling, David? What happened? Is it this one? Somewhere the messages aren't coming through, which is kind of weird, but that's fine. We will embrace the weirdness as we do. At least I'm seeing them pop up here, so that doesn't matter. Right, that's then fine. As long as I'm seeing it pop up there, who cares? Okay, so are we ready to rumble? Like I said, I've kind of marked out everything, which is weird for me. This is the new daily opening gap. That's Asia high. Asia low is over here. Got the equal lows. London lows there. Yeah. Bon appetit, I guess. That's what we got. Are we ready though for today? Louis, what do you think it's gonna be? At this point, I'm just going with trend as friend. And that we are kind of stuck in a range. So that's fun. That's fun, but trend is friend. What does everyone else think is about to happen today? Okay. I'm just having a look at something. My hair is gonna drive me crazy today. I can tell you that much for free. Let me quickly reset here. I do need to check something over there. No, don't have anything there. Cool, then we're good to go. Slight bullish bias, but I only react. I can't really predict. I guess that's valid. I don't even know what to say. Oh, this one, by the way, wouldn't have come to tag me in. Had the correct idea, just didn't come back to the 50% mark. Pity. I think it's gonna Do another sweep down and another bullish day. Ooh, trade addict. Okay. I guess. I know. I feel like I said the wrong thing. My bad. We are just... What is it? What is it that I keep being shouted at? Be water. Just be water. Go with the flow. Whatever presents itself, go with it. Why did I draw that like an absolute idiot? There we go. Was there something that I missed? No, that is all-time highs, right? Yeah, this is all-time highs. Why are you not going where I want you to go? That's not where I want you to go. Mother fluffer, can we just... There we go. That's better. That's better. Now I don't have any accurate information. Huh, Louis, did you keep trading? Did you go to sleep at least? Sorry, I'm chatting to Louis. I think mine's gonna full pot. Nah, I just... Same as yesterday. I am kinda neutral. Either we get a banger or we get a loss and we move on. That's just where we are at today. Well, it's just where we're at with this week, in all honesty. This is where this week is headed. Ooh, I'm fogging up my glasses. It's been one of those like cold, rainy days. It's been quite nice. After all the heat, it's been quite nice. Maya, buy 50 minis right now. Hey, Simo, what's up? Teach me. Oh, I'm not qualified to teach you nothing. Sorry. I was so tired I went to sleep. The intent of 10 minutes and woke up at 6 a.m. 3 p.m. Oh, damn, Louis. Okay, so... Wow, you've literally, like, just woken up? That is... Yeah, oh, that sucks, though. Slash, good. Glad you got some sleep. What I'm saying sucks is that it's 6 a.m. That's not great. Teach him the block option. Kuja, you go ahead. Go teach him quickly. Hey Maya, I see you had a win. Now 4-5-3 and start your next trade. Hey Elf, you're on awfully early today. What's up? How you doing? How's it going? Oh my gosh, do you know what I haven't done, which is absolutely disgusting of me? Like, disgusting. How dare I not do this?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
It was actually higher Elf, and then I had a little loss this morning during London, but that's fine. Elf, is it not like super early for you? What's up? Wait, what's happening? He activated only a few minutes because I have to pick up my son. Oh, okay. Oh, well, thanks for hopping on to say hi. That's awesome. Shout out to you. I think you deserve some fireworks for that, in all honesty. Are you ready for fireworks? You get special fireworks. Whee! I said already I'm done for this. Yeah, no, I know. Doesn't mean you can't, like... Sorry, I have hiccups as I'm trying to talk to you guys. Oh my gosh, my body doesn't know what to do. It had hiccups and then it's yawning. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry, I'm having a malfunction today. My body has been treating every day like it's supposed to be Friday. Tuesday, English was depleted. Yes, what happened yesterday? I feel like something happened yesterday. Can't remember. Something happened yesterday. And now today, my body's just like, nah, you're done. You're done. But we are not done. We are definitely not done yet. It looks like that head and shoulder pattern on your time frame was complicated. So it could be straight up what just happened. Elf! Against your hiccups. Shout out to Elf for being the bomb.com. Thanks for the dono. You get more fireworks for that. Just about damn, You hop on and you just get all the boom fireworks. Hey, Mikuabe. Mikuabe, I'm not even gonna lie. Part of me wants to say my bias is still bull. But it's a little bit all over the place. Mikuabe, what are you thinking? Oracle, what are you thinking? I'm so sorry, guys. I literally can't stop. I don't know why. I prefer winter because it's cold and I'm not dying of like sweat. But in the winter, when there's no sun, my body goes, it's bedtime. We sleep when it's dark. And that's what's happening. I'm sorry. It's been like overcast the whole day. So my body's just gone nighttime. It's nighttime. We're supposed to be asleep. That was, to be fair, Elf, that was me at the end of a freaking 24-hour stream. That was insane. Excuse me?
Emotional damage.
Rude. Mikuabe decided to hop on and be rude today. Anyways, hey Debbie, what's up? At my place, the summer is coming. Yes, nice. I know we're all having a mixed bag of situations happening. Musicals. It's, you know what? I've never played a meme more. That is how mean you guys are to me. I have to play that emotional damage one all the time because you guys bully me. Yeah. How are we looking for time? Oh, 2 minutes left. What the heck? Where did the time go? Okay, anyways. 2 minutes left. I should maybe pay attention. Let's see what we get. Guys, I need a haircut. It's getting bad. It feels very volatile today. If it feels volatile today during Asia and New York, what the heck is it going to look like during Asia and London? What is it gonna look like during New York? Ooh, phlebotomies with still a thing. I would definitely have one. 2 minutes to short. Hey, Dom, what's up? Time to make some fat green. Let's see, that took that out. I think this has to spike a little bit higher. Let us see. 1 minute to go. Can I speak Afrikaans? I can really badly, but I can speak it. I can understand it better than I can speak it. So like, I can have someone speaking to me in Afrikaans and I can respond in English. So I understand Afrikaans. I don't speak it real well. John, what's up? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
20 seconds to go. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Need to make a what are those? Yeah, we got. What languages do you actually learn in school? Afrikaans. We did have options. Well, at the one school we didn't have options. So you could learn Afrikaans, but at the other school there was options. Like you could also learn French, or I think there was German as well. But Afrikaans was like almost compulsory. You had to learn Afrikaans. If you wanted to learn other languages, then it would be like a separate subject. Was it always? It was compulsory, if I'm not mistaken. And I was so bad at it in school. Wow, I was like embarrassingly bad at it at school. Not a very big sweep. I kind of expected a bigger one, Trader Addict, if I'm being honest. I really expected a bit of a bigger sweep. Okay, here's the 930 range. Okay. Here we go. Question mark? Let's see what we get. Me too, but I'm good on trading. Ah, then who cares, right? Interesting. Entry under view app. Oh, you're short? So you're in this, Dom? Let's hope it's not just sideways today. Sorry, this tea is actually really hitting the spot today. I'm super chuffed with my tea right now. It depends on if it took break even trades from last night. Hey, Green Globe, what's up? How we doing? Just in time for open. What the? Are we ready for this thing? PP in the middle of bob level. So around London low, is that what you're aiming for, Dom? Went for shorts today. Hey, Sandy Andy, so you're in a shorty short. I am hands off until we get some confirmation. ES is pushing for the bull side. Just BT dubs if anyone is watching ES currently. ES do be pushing for the bull side. I think it already happened at Aether. Yep, no, English is depleted. I said Asia. Asia. I want to say it's been a long day, but not much has happened today, but it's felt like a real long day. Good grief, Perry. What percentage of your balance do you bet? So Elf, recently, because I've been in drawdown, I've been placing less. But normally, so it's a 50k account. Normally, when it's not in drawdown, I would be placing 200. I'd be risking $200. I'm gonna still make huge profit. Trump tweet made me go short. It's for highs. Be nice, Debbie. Be nice. It's not my fault. Like I said, apparently words are no longer with me. This is where my English is gone. I don't know. What did Trump say this time? Hey, DJ, what's up? He's gonna burn and destroy all the bridges and blah. 0.4. That's very little. Not really. Not for funded. What Trump tweet? Apparently, Sandy Andy, was there a Trump tweet? Oh, here we go. We have yet to have our first presented still. Let's see what we get. He's literally Homeland. Why is he on files? Can't release. In the end. I don't know about that one. Snippets, not so sure about that one. Maya, where would your account balance have been if I kept the contracts same every trade? Oh, it would be dead. Demonte, I would have blown this account very, very, very long ago if I hadn't have de-risked. That's old news. He said that 4 weeks straight now. Devil. Has he done it? Last time I bet 90. 90? Nah, Elf, you crazy, man. What the heck? Damn. Either you're just crazy or you just have that much confidence, but either way, that's insane. Good for you, though. Okay, 30 seconds left. Let's see if this is the first presented. It's a small one, but it's still the first presented. And the 5-minute range is basically the same as the 9:30 range. Interesting. 16 seconds left. Hey, Wade, what's up? How are we doing? Goodbyes at 974, TP 093. Hey, we have our first presenter. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, it's so small. Like, I feel like this shouldn't count, but I know it does. Still feel like it shouldn't, though. But here we are. Okay, tapped into the bob level. Now I'm a little bit more meh, hands off. Let's see what reactions we get. Where, who, how, what, where, what, why, who. That's it. I feel like I'm missing a WH word. Where, what, why, who. I feel like there's supposed to be 5. Hey, Dark Angel, what the hell are you doing? I ain't tweeted yet, but I've waited for it. Should be noted, however, that the probability of me losing is usually less than or equal to 1%. Damn, Elf. Okay, then. Dark Angel, how's the trading been going? Better? Meh? Happy days? Securing 150. Nice, Louis. Oh, damn, have to go. Aw, thanks, Elf. Shout out to you. You are awesome sauce. Thank you for hopping in to say hi. I really appreciate it. Damn, Dark Angel. Demonte doesn't even get that happy to see me. Thank you, Dark Angel. So glad for you to hop in and say hi. This day has been interesting. Like I said, I'm just gonna have to sit on my hands for a little bit, wait for some more solid confirmations before I jump into anything. Sorry, I know that's real, like, non-exciting, but it is what it is. Well, good, nice green week last week. 2 trades on Tuesday. Oh no! Dark Angel, but at least green week last week. That's amazing. Well done. That is seriously awesome. Hey, Clate. Hi, that's an interesting name. Literally, Demonte's more excited to see Dark Angel than me. It's okay, we all know who the star is here. It's Dark Angel. I'm just the side person who's talking and won't shut up, who irritates everyone. I'm not sad, you're sad. I'm just kidding. Just messing with you. Why is ES looking beautiful to trade today and NQ is looking like a bag of used, wet, old socks? Literally, NQ, I would have had a whoop whoop. Literally, NQ, I would have had a whoop whoop. Mother fluffer. Okay, Bulls are definitely winning on ES currently. We broke up there. Let's see what it does and how it reacts here. Hey, here we go. Shoot, there's no way for me to enter. I'm always happy to see you. Like, hey Vortex, what's up? This is the Nasdaq futures. Aw, enjoy, Dark Angel. Thanks for hopping on. You're so sweet. Wait, I didn't even ask the most important question. I can't believe I didn't ask the most important question. Hey Atlanta, what's up? Where's OT2? I don't know. Isn't there news in 4 minutes? Is there news? No, no one said anything about news happening today. No, wait, there was yellow folder news happening today, if I'm not mistaken. We did speak about that this morning. Here we go. We go here. Okay, nothing there. Awesome sauce. Just checking everything. What? Hey, Trade Addict says that doesn't count. Okay, let's see if there is news in 4 minutes or not. A lot of people say the PMI apparently doesn't count. Let's see what this even says. Oh, yeah, even this isn't counting it as important. Wow, okay. Wow, this isn't even counting it as important news at all. Nope. Tomorrow, 8:10. It's not counting it as important. Why does this look faded over? It's my glasses. It might be my glasses. I might have to clean my glasses. That freaked me out a little bit. It looked real weird. Ooh. I don't like it. I do. And I don't like it. I just don't like that it's right there by the freaking bob level. It'd be hard to pass 073 though. That's definitely what she's.
That's what she said.
I got you. I got you, Atlanta. It might retrace. It's not A+, leave it alone. It could work. This one could work. This is like an A setup. Right, not A+, it's like an A setup. So this one could actually very well be a decent trade. That just had a -60 spread. That just had a mini meltdown. What? Oh, was that the news now? That's hilarious. I was like, yeah, it won't matter. Okay, apparently PMI did a little bit of something. Get tapped in, hopefully. Wait, Louis, have you been taken out? Are you still in this thing? Problem is it might want to retrace further. Let me just quickly draw this on ES. Yep, up, and away we go. Might now go bob to bob. We mustn't forget about the new daily opening gap. Oh, I didn't label it. Triple bottom, very bullish signal. Still in, but if it hits your 0.5 line, I'm adding to my position. I don't know if it is going to though. I think this thing might just be going up. Yeah. Yeah. And I wouldn't be surprised if we see a bounce off of the new daily opening gap either. Wait, whoop whoop, not yet. Oh, 093, 093. Why wouldn't you have made it 089? 089. Why did I find that so funny? Anyways. Okay. Took out the high. Let's see, that was a bit of a liquidity sweep. That was a massive rejection. Zero usually. Did it get you or did it miss you? Did it get you or did it miss you? Please tell me, cause I'm very curious right now. Okay, well that definitely got you. Hey, Loopy! Well done. This thing is running away without me. Okay, this is gonna drive me crazy. My hair's just not cooperating. Ah, this is a runaway train. This is literally a runaway train that I do not have a entry for. Shoot. Okay, well that's Asia high now gone, and it tapped into the new daily opening gap. So now the question is, are we gonna continue on this train track just up, up and away, or are we gonna start drilling down into the center of the earth? Did you get it? I missed my entry, so I'm gonna wait until 10 and see what the market does. Hey, TWPW. Blah, blah. So you missed your entry. I mean, like I said, TWPW, I'm just kind of like, this is running, this is sprinting away right now. It's sprinting. And I don't know, you know, we shouldn't be chasing it. Don't chase a runaway train. Hey! Oh, nope, that's not what I meant to do. Ah, you know what, people? Y'all get more fireworks. Bob included. Whoop whoop! That is amazing. I know everything, but when I open a chart, can't do anything. Rise and Inspire, what do you mean? What happened? TP1 hit. OTT? Yes! Amazing! Well done! I feel like I'm trying to force a trade, which is a real bad idea. Oh, that would have been instant stop loss. That would have hurt all of my feelings all at once. 15 times over. Oh, it tapped into the 0.5 of ES. Let's see now if we're gonna get continuation, or if this is low-key a little bit of a reversal. Oh my goodness, bless me, I'm so sorry guys. I swear if I did Asia high and then dumps, I'm a crasher. I expect we get a Trump tweet mark. We'll probably chase all-time highs one last time before Trump tweet dump. Wasn't someone saying, you know, this might just continue up and then tomorrow it's gonna be like a Friday crash, almost? Friday sell-off. I think that's kind of the terminology. No, man, sells TPS 0.5 line. Off to work, see you tomorrow morning. Trade Addict, you're amazing. Thank you for hopping on. $100 secure. Damn! Please, thank you, please. But you're at break even and you've already like made some CPs, so that's awesome, OTT. What the heck, man? That is amazing. I don't got nothing. I can't believe I'm saying like that, but I don't got nothing right now. What do I think of these candles right now? They're not giving me anything good. I know a lot of people are getting good things, don't get me wrong, please. But for me and my strategy, I ain't got nothing. And these are very wiki wild. What about you, Mikwale? Have you gotten anything? I guess so, but catching 105 points is just aura. Did you just say aura? Like, it's fine. It's fine. It's better than skibbity toilet, because I don't even know what that means. Yeah, I sculpt Tesla. And? Hey, Neen, how you doing? I can't even catch 5 points. Me and you both. We're just sitting here waiting. It's quite volatile. Maybe it'll give us something in... I mean... Maybe it'll give us something good in a little bit. OGT, I read that I nearly died. I'm accepting my inner Gen Z. Let's bargain today. Yesterday, there were good incomes. What's the bargain? What do you mean bargain? I'm so sorry. Wait, did it hit your stop loss like properly? No. I now have to play you the stop loss sound. Probably in a squeeze. Oh, we'll probably be in a squeeze for 15 to 30 minutes. That's great. That's great. Okay, well we have... Okay. It is what it is. It is what it is. Maybe I just don't get a setup today and that's fine. You know, things happen. Can't force the markets. Hey, Basine, what's up? How you doing? And for anyone that just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What's up? Oh, Basine, I'm good. I'm good. How are you? Hope you're doing amazing. 9:55. Where has the time gone? How has it basically already been 25 minutes? What is happening? And this morning, London session was low-key going a little bit slow. This New York session is just going... Cheers. Goodbye. See you never. Here we go. with a question mark in it. Dad never. Bad me. No, okay, it wouldn't have been a good trade. Not an A+ setup at all, and going against everything else. So don't do it. Hands off. Leave it alone. Based on the hourly, it's looking bullish, but my 1 minute is reading reversal. It looks like it's gonna go all the way back to your entry. TWPW? Nah, I'm watching it. I'm going, The problem is, like, I could take this trade. I could. Well, maybe not now, maybe it's too late, but this essentially would have been the trade. I'm not trusting it. It just took out Asia high, tapped into the new daily opening gap. If this thing is gonna do reversal, it's gonna do it now. If it's gonna do continuation, it's gonna do it now. But I don't want to be stuck on the wrong end of the reversal, which is what this might be. And maybe I'm wrong and I've missed a golden trade, but yeah. Oh no. Where's my tattoo? Yeah? What? Why are you asking about my tattoo? I'm gonna take a trade border to 0.5 line. What is your TP? The 118. It is? Yeah, 117, 118, somewhere there. There was a sell signal on TMP. Yeah. Louis, you're winning, so you're just like, man, I'm just gonna take this. Probably got a tattoo finish. OGT, I'm sorry, but you're in the green for today. Right? Better than yesterday. You've got this. Yeah? Yay! Winning. That's what I'm setting it at 117. Whoop. Here we go. Three, two, one. Okay, there the bulls tried to stop it. See how it reacts off of here, out of curiosity. I'd have to take this as one contract. Oh my gosh, this is low-key more than I would be willing to. I think this thing has to drop down further if it's gonna continue back up. Position now. Isn't that more like a 1-to-1 R trade then? Right? Break even hit partial win today. See? Green OTT. Oh, that's a short. Yeah, zero line. Yeah. So it's down here. So yours... Shoot. Yours looks like a little bit like this, right? So it's a 1.17 R trade. Let's see what this does here, but didn't give a damn about that first presented. Not even one little hoot and a half. Let's see how, if it rejects off of VWAP now. See guys, sometimes I do listen to myself. Here we go. That would have been a loss. Ah, okay. I am a happy little chappy now. At least I listen to myself. No, exactly, that's what I said. It took out Asia high. And either this was going to be a reversal or it was going to continue. And reversal it is. So let's do this. My New York session is all about shakeout week. Beforehand. This does not look like an M formation on the 5 minute. Not really. I'm not good with the formations, but is it? Like I said, I'm not new. My hair is gonna irritate me today. Let's see. Okay, there's the 10 a.m. candle. Oh, this just ran away now. Oh, okay. We're missing a candle there. Everyone just ignore that little situation happening. Louis, you're still in this, aren't you? Multi, just look at the London session. Remember the short I took? Yeah, I do, Multi. This feels a little bit like a trap day, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Couple of hit for 1 micro sim meh. That Gambox thing, man. No, don't that Gambox thing, man. There's a reason. I told you don't take this one. It's a reason I didn't take this one. When Asia High gets taken out, there's a very big possibility that it's then gonna go for Asia Low afterwards. Obviously not always, but definitely a larger possibility that it is. Hey Atlanta, what's up? Enter now short. Multimirror is low-key what I was looking at, but I'm not... I'm not seeing an A+ for me. This one could work out. Could also not work out. I think I've had enough losses to know what I do and don't want. This market currently is not really what I want to be seeing, but you know, there's still time. There's still time. We might still get something really good. The only plus side to this one is that it popped into the bob level. And a little bit of that shelf. That is the only reason I would have taken this trade. There's nothing else that's like screaming at me going, yep, this is the one. Might work out now. Like I said, not mirror, this might actually be a decent... Like I said, this would have been the trade for short. But... Right now, this is not my cup of tea. This is my cup of tea. This price action right now is not my cup of tea. Range, reverse my position, double the contracts, already got my money back. There we go. Selling now at your 0.5 line. Well, actually, the entry was rushed. 2 more minutes. Okay. I'm watching. Trust, I'm watching. Like I said, I'm low-key hands-off right now. until I get something that screams, heck yeah, this is the one. I might call the week up here up 8:30, or should I be a greedy boy and go for more tomorrow? OTT, why not call it while you're ahead? You're up a decent amount. I mean, you could trade tomorrow and think of it this way: if you get a loss, it doesn't matter. You'd still be in the green. Oh, if I get maybe I'm gonna be a bad influence saying this. If you get a loss, it doesn't matter. You'll still be in the green. If you get a win, then you'll just get more green. That doesn't sound great though. Do you want to lose the amount of profits you have currently? If, let's say, it's a bad day. Let's maybe just put it that way. Lava Turtle, what's up? Dom has a whoop whoop. So, pretty big. Okay. Let's see, like I said, maybe this would have been a goodie. I'm not loving the conditions. Like I said, I feel like I have at least been trading this long enough to know which are the correct conditions. Right now, these ain't it. Good luck, man. Everyone have green printing day. I'm off to make most of the sun. It's rarity in the UK. Cheers, Debbie. Enjoy. Louis, did it take you out or you still in this? I'm thinking a little bit. Louis still in. Okay. $10.08. Oh, now things are starting to slow down. Man. Sugar honey iced tea. Well, bulls are definitely strong. Oh, spoke too soon. Another 20 bucks. Okay, while this is deciding, do you think we should do butterfly of the day? What do y'all think? Butterfly of the day? Do you think it's butterfly of the day time? That's just how I feel about this right now. Just eh. Come on, where's the volume gone today? Any fun? Any frustration for you to do? What do you mean, Atlanta? Today in general has been a little bit frustrating. I took a trade during London that hit my stop loss by literally a tick. It ticked me out and then it sunk to the center of the earth. That was very frustrating. Like I said, now this price action is meh. So I'm gonna still be sitting on my hands a little bit until we get something better. So while we're waiting for that, how's your day going? I haven't really been paying attention. That's okay, Atlanta. I won't take that personally. Nah, I'm just kidding. I know you guys have lives, believe it or not. Maybe I'm the one that does not have a life. Oh, we're going down. What? Anyways, let's see if this would have been a whoop whoop. But while we're waiting to see if it would have been a whoop whoop, let's do butterfly of the day. Starting to have mixed feelings about the short. Uh-oh. Are you ready? No, We're on the blues again. There we go. Now it's no longer blues. Oh, we did the cabbage white yesterday, but there's another one. You guys want to see another white one, or should we wait? You're quite cool. We'll do you. Called a twin dotted border. Are you ready? Ta-da! A twin dotted border. It's a cool one. Ta-da! This is it. This is our butterfly of the day. He's super cool. So, twin dotted border. Are you guys ready? Wingspan of 48 to 56 millimeters. Okay, so it's a decent sized butterfly. Let's see. Okay, no, nothing about how they fly. So, distribution is wooded savanna, coastal lowland, and riverine forest from George, Western Cape, King Williamstown, Eastern Cape, to Swaziland, KwaZulu-Natal, Limpopo Province, Mpumalanga, Northwest Province, oh my gosh, and Gauteng, Magaliesburg to Witwatersrand, Krugersdorp. Good grief. Okay, so this is decently common. Habitat is forest edges, flatlands, coasts, hillsides, and gullies. Flight period is year-round, peaks October and late Feb, April. There we go. Okay, wait, it's Latin name. I forgot this morning's one. It's Latin name. Mylotherus repelliparmius. That sounded like a Hogwarts spell right there. But that is our butterfly of the day. Sorry, the image is not loading very nicely, but you get the idea. He's cute as heck. There we go, that's a bit of a better one. At least it loaded. Ta-da! There's our butterfly of the day. Let's see what the charts are doing. Ready, steady. Okay, we're going down. Altamira, you are missing the move. Not really. I wouldn't call this missing anything, Altamira, just thing. Don't take it the wrong way. It's wonderful sitting in the home. Oh, thanks, Atlanta. You're so sweet. So 20 bucks. No, the shorts on. Hey, South African, what's up? That one's pretty house. Whoop. Marketing grinding or being faked out. Silent billionaire? If I had taken the trade I wanted to take earlier, I would have been faked out. So thank heavens I listened to myself. It looks like now... Sorry, all these hiccups are driving me mental today. It looks like now the markets maybe have stabilized a little bit, so let me still stay hands off for a moment. There's something about this price action that's making me want to say I need to stay hands off. Looks like this one may have been a whoop whoop, which is awesome, but there's just... this isn't looking like my kind of day, if that makes sense. I wish I could brush your... What a weird thing to say. Anyways. Those butterflies take one for the team. They're toxic to birds, damn! Predators like birds will sometimes taste one, get sick, and then remember forever, so future butterflies of the same species get avoided entirely. What the heck? I'm currently trading a 5k prop account on phase 1. Oh, that's cool! And how's it going? It's Michael all the way. Come on, 955. Yeah, Louis, and you judge my... as I said that, I was about to say you judge my GAN box, but it hasn't been bad. It hasn't been bad. As I say that, damn it. Did it take you out for $20? Sugar honey iced tea. Damn, I got I got cocky. Oh, do you know what it did? Do you know what it did? Yeah, it rejected off the 50. Hi, sweetie pie. It rejected off the 50% of that wick. These wicks are actually rather powerful. I don't know if anyone else has noticed that. Has anyone else? Well, I was told this by someone, so I don't know. Maybe you guys knew this already. For those of you that haven't maybe noticed or ever taken note, the 50% of these giant wicks are quite decent at being a good point of rejection. Look at that. Oh, just missed the 50% of it. Damn. This one tapped into the 50%, but rejected back up. Those wicks are why I took my buy. Yeah, you can see the Bills want to win. The Bears just aren't letting them. Did you see the malfunction there? Can't freaking speak English today. This is insane. ICT calls them premium wicks and sometimes also called a rejection block on a higher time frame. The wicks of one, why would it be a rejection block though? Just thinking that will break programming entries. Any advice on how to break out and pass? My man, one good trade at a time, that's it. That's why I'm at right now. Just one good trade at a time, that's all you can do. If you put a fib on it, it acts like fair value gap, but usually uses them with a pretty useful. Oh, that's interesting. Thanks, Zozy. And sweeps, the reason I chose 093 is my TP. So I'm watching to see where we're at. If we get stuck back in a freaking range like we did at 25, I'm gonna be grumpy. I feel like that's what screwed me March time. We kind of got stuck in that, well, I mean, there was a few things. But I feel like we also low-key got stuck in that 25,000 range. I like your streams. I just lurk more. That's okay, Zozy. I appreciate you coming to join, and thank you for bringing that up. That's awesome. Rejection block be used to top and bottom, tick, tight, stop, and high RR, but understanding them is hard. Okay, that makes sense. Space World, did you research on trading psychology? I feel like I am the damn test subject. Space World, but not necessarily, no. Do you have any insights that you wanna add? Hey, good trades at a time. No, I'm just kidding. You gotta get through the one good trade phase. It teaches you a lot. I learned a lot from it. Multi, you're still saying it's a short. There was just a good entrance with a small stop. Like I said, to be fair, no, I probably would have moved to break even, and this probably would have been a break even trade if I'm being honest right now. Because this is a little bit trepid. Yeah. Maya is the embodiment of trading psychology. Yeah, you should have seen how I started. Damn, was I chaotic? Wow. Trading psychology for who? Why? Why? What is trading psychology? Just screw it. Just start taking trades and see what happens. It's basically how it started. Now look at me, sitting for like a full freaking day, waiting for an A+ setup. to be fair. London, it was an A+ setup, it just wicked me out. Yes, I'm still salty about it. It's fine. Hey, Trading Expo, what's up? I sold again at the 0.5 line, oh my gosh. You know what, Trading Expo, I can't complain. How are you doing? 955 TP. I mean, it's a good TP. Is it gonna reach it though? Possibly. Yeah, as I say that. Wait a second. Are we Mojo Jojoing? Mojo Jojo. Just a very weird one. It's more like that. About to get squeezed that way. If it breaks, then the shorts are on. Sorry, I thought that was funny. I bought 40 share, up $85. Oh, nice, well done. Power puffing a bit, yeah. Okay, cool, Louis. I'm glad it wasn't just me that was like, wait a second. Let's see if it manages to break out or not. How much strategy do you everyday trade? Oh, I get. It's my hybrid strategy. I use my hybrid strategy, which is just basically a combination of market auction theory, ICT, and SMC kind of combined. Drop mother flapper drop. Oh, it's definitely rejecting off of there. Damn. 28. Let's see. You forced me into a trip. What the heck? What did I do, Atlanta? How did I do anything? What? Oh, what? What did I do? What the heck? ICT means in a circle trader? A lot of systems. Multimirror, what do you mean? Like I said, my trading strategy theoretically is almost stupidly simple. I think it's why a lot of people don't like it, and some of them love it. Some of them even take like ideas from it and use it, and that's fine. But yeah, it is stupidly simple, but it works for me. Trading in the zone helped me a lot with trading. Well, I can happily say that doing a gamboxing with a bit of ninja twist has made me 160 bucks. Did I see? I mean, I lost you a little bit as well, but that's fine. Atlanta, the sound of kills. What did I do? I don't understand. Oh, there we go. We broke up. We're breaking up.
Emotional damage.
Ah, flip. Just kidding. Okay, one important question was up. What do be the important question? Ooh, but we didn't close above it. Okay, buys are not valid yet. Oh my gosh, I would still... No, I probably would have gone break even and been taken out of this trade. Buyer seems to change. Yeah, I lost following it, but I made it back with some ninja scalping. There we go. Let's see if the body closes above. We have 30 seconds to go. It's struggling to break, guys. Why? Just... why? Let us see. Still hasn't closed above. This could be it. Nope. Wow, this is hard to watch. I reached a stage where I should actually think that the trade will go up or down, but my hands stuck like glass. Oh, trading expert. Don't worry, I've had that before. I have had that before. Trust me. You can maybe start with de-risking. Like maybe only put one contract where you would have maybe put like 5, just for an example. So de-risk it so that even if it is a loss, you feel meh, and then you start with that, and then you start increasing and you start building your confidence again. Trust, I actually had that a few weeks ago where I saw a trade and I almost got like paralyzed. I couldn't do anything. It was a very weird feeling because I was sitting there and I was watching, I was like, this is a good trade. And I could not take it. It's almost like my body would not allow me to take the trade. It was very weird. And it was something I just had to get over by de-risking, doing one trade at a time, almost, this sounds bad, but almost forcing myself to take every A+ setup. Even if it's one contract, whatever. But I took every single A+ setup, and now I'm back to being like, okay, this is fine, we can start to trust this again. What closes above your 0.5 line, I'm gonna buy. It'll be very difficult to catch, even for me if I'm out taking profit. Damn, this is painful. Yep. Okay, I'm out. See my change your Discord. Oh, cheers, Debbie. Enjoy. Another shortwave. Here we go. So still rejected off of there. We're still kind of going up, down, and sideways. Rejection off of here. We need this to break solidly. The same condition exactly, not those things. 20 minutes got motivated. Yeah, you've got this. You've got this. See, that's the point of this community, to know that you're not alone in feeling that way. Right? And to maybe just have someone to tell you, just do it. You gotta low-key Nike it. Get it, Nike. Just do it. Yeah. Don't think for a minute. Death the Nas. The queen is done. Hey Rolf, what's up? When I trade, I close all apps, only keep trading app open. Quick $250 in 20 minutes. That's not bad. Beautiful aggression trend though. Easy skull. Hey, Roman Empire. How many trades do I take per day? Recently it's low-key been 2, one during London, one during New York. However, there has been days where I can take up to 4 trades in a day. Yeah, watching this now, I don't know if I'm gonna get a trade during New York. Let's see. Are we gonna break above now? We might be breaking above now. Dow Jones is going higher. Ooh, so we could be going higher. It's gonna be a sudden movie brutal out of nowhere. Thanks. I want to send you a box of chili milli. Oh, then I would have to eat it on the live. That'll be amazing. Because I'm assuming they're spicy. Are they spicy? Just based off of the name, I'm going to assume that they're spicy. Yeah. Okay, a bunch of the institutions are out. Sweet and spicy mix. I really want to send how. It's a good question. That is a very good question. Trading Expo, are you on the Discord? Maybe a trend will emerge. You know, nothing's... Okay, we have officially closed and above. So I think this is going up now. Yeah, we officially closed above. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I bought above the 0.5 line from before. Nice. TP093. Again, good grief, Louis. You're going for it. I love it. Okay, so officially broken above. This is low-key hard to watch today. Let's see what else we get. Give me 2 seconds. This bull break doesn't make sense. Multimirror, the charts don't always make sense. I have definitely come to realize it. Some days it just goes, oh, everything I thought would happen happens. And then other days it just gives you the middle finger. It's about to create an SMT on ES, by the way, if anyone's watching that. Let's see. Not at a great spot there. I'm just gonna watch. Hope it works out for you. Overdose, yeah. Like I said, guys, today this market condition is not screaming, let's take a trade. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday's market, I was like, there it is, let's do this. This is giving me sideways chop, fake out, stop loss hunting vibes, which scares me. Like I said, this might work for a lot of people. Well done to you. Seriously, well done, well done. Me, not so. Maybe if that is available. That's not a thing in South Africa. Sorry, Trading Expo. Not to me or any news. Not that I know of. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, would you look at that? I see absolutely nothing has happened yet. Anyways. I've already made 4 deals up long. Good income. Hey, George, nice. Me, however. I'm just sitting and watching the pretty lines go by. Let's see, if this is just going to be a sideways day, I might call it early. There's no point in me wasting anybody's time or wasting my own time if this is literally just going to be going nowhere. It's not worth it today. Overdose? Yeah. It could drop again from here. Louis, you think so? I'm dedicated to seeing if it does. I'll give you that, but yeah, guys, I don't think it's going to be a trading day for me, which means it is a little bit of a red day, down like $30. It's fine, it is what it is. But yeah, there's nothing here that's going, this is the trade. Let's go for it. Sad. Oh well. Yeah, but I'm still in 093 TP. Oh, you're still in? It didn't take you out? Nice. Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. I'm here just watching the tea unfold then. So that wouldn't have tagged in. I mean, solid rejections right here for this bob level. Let's see, it was basically pinballing between these two. I've been putting kitchens all week, so no trading, but I'm just getting bored. What a chance with you guys! Aw, lifestyle, we've missed you! Trust, you're here on a very boring day. Don't worry. This do be... Oh, this is actually probably one of the most boring days this week. This week has actually been really enjoyable for me, personally. But today, nah. He's 7. No, I'm still sitting and waiting. Waiting and sitting. Waiting and wondering why. Okay, but if a rejection they offer... We're stuck in a range. Makes me oh so sad. Good grief, this neighbor revs his car for no reason all the time. Yeah, in the van on my way home trading tomorrow. Like, yes! Live sound, so we get live sound tomorrow. Yes! I love it, I love it. Hopefully tomorrow's not boring. It is Friday. Fridays are either a swing or a miss. I tend to enjoy Fridays personally, but I know some people refuse to trade Fridays. Here we go. Good golly grief. Yes. Okay. Cheers, periwinkle. By the way, must be in it. What do you mean? By the way, I wasn't sugar honey iced teaing on unboxing. I just think there's a market condition where it works, a market condition where it doesn't. That's why I use whatever. Oh no, 100%. No, acknowledged. I've said it a few times. This market condition we've had today is not the one for my GAN box. I can tell you that much for free. This is bad market conditions for my GAN box today.
Emotional damage.
Rob, David, don't be jealous because your neighbor has wheels. That was so uncalled for. Wow. Anyways, I'll be back to annoy you with my poor English humor. Let's do it. Is it out view app? No, not yet. Next short move coming. Short sell move. So what happened with my last... Oh, you're asking what happened during London? Oh, it was an A+ setup. It just wicked me out. This was the trade during London. It literally just came, wicked me out, and then literally dropped. I was very offended, but it is what it is, right? It happens. You move on to the next trade and move on with your life. You made me spit my water up. Got my loss. It was just 59 USD. Oh, that's not bad though. Damn, I did see a video of her driving way too far. Atlanta, it really wasn't. I was going 60. Anyways, Makes me wonder what my tires were stolen, my man. Dom, you think we're gonna see the next short now? Again, with this range, I'm just on my hands. Let's call it the London trade. Altamira? Going 60 with no wheels. Yo, I'm skilled. I have a flying car. Did you not know that? Guys, I'm actually from the future. Louis, they're still processing. I will email them again tomorrow and be like, please hurry up. Ah. Overdose indeed, some important downloads in background. What do you mean? Yeah, 60 and a 15. We don't have 15 here in South Africa. We literally, the slowest is 60. I lie. No, I don't lie. I think the slowest is 60. You might get a 40 zone. No. 60. 60, 60. You don't have a 15. Rude. I mean, you're not wrong, but that's rude. From Bob to Bob. Oof, would have missed. Rude. Oh, guys, I I'll give it 2 more minutes because I like potentially ending on like even numbers because I'm weird like that. So that your old 0.5 line TP is 955. Would this previous one have hit stop loss? It may have. It probably did. Oh, it didn't. What? Oh, no, wait. I didn't draw it from the tippy top. I drew it from here. Dude. That was mean. Anyways. Cyberman 5, you were in a school zone. I definitely was not in a school zone. Definitely not. Nope. Nope, and nope. This is garbage. Still think nope. Anybody? What are you talking about? It's not too much. And yep. Nope. I think I'm gonna call it. This is not a day for me to be trading on. A heck no day for me. David, shush. I didn't say you were wrong, I just said shush. I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. I would never do that. I'm like Penny when Leonard asked Penny, you know, with Big Bang Theory, when he's like, how do you feel about kids? I'm like, well, I mean, I wouldn't throw a rock at it. Does that make sense? I think he's trying to figure out what you have. Yeah, guys, I'm calling it. I can tell you for a fact right now that I think even if an A+ setup had to present itself, I would not be trusting it. No. Just no. No, 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 no. It's like the Batman Lego movie. Just no, no, no. That's it. That's all I'm feeling right now. This is definitely... thank you. Max. We're running off. Yeah, I agree. I think this is no. This is no territory. I'm not going to deal with this anymore. I'm then going to call it. I will be back for London and New York tomorrow. Damn, a bit of a red day for me today. Shoot. Oh well. We have one last try at it tomorrow. Whoop, there it is. I was like, where am I? Okay, we have one last try at it tomorrow. It's Friday tomorrow, guys. Friday, you know what that means. It's Fun Fact Friday. So Life Sound, you're back just in time for Fun Fact Friday. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be grand. I love you guys madly. I will then see you later. There's also some big news coming up, guys. I won't tell you what it is yet, but there's some really big news coming up. So stay tuned. I love you guys madly. See you tomorrow for London, if not London, New York session. Okay, trade safe in this. Protect your capital. You know, risk management. I love you guys madly. See you then on the flippity flop. That was lame, but I'm going with it. Okay, I love you guys badly. Bye.